Chapter 20, Our Earth. Friends, do you know what we are going to learn today? Today we are going to learn about our Earth. The Earth was formed long back, about 4.7 billion years ago. The Earth rotates on its axis. The Earth is a rocky planet, the only planet suitable for life. The Earth has large amount of water. Around 70% of Earth's surface is covered with ocean. So sometimes it is called as blue planet. Because of water, Earth is a suitable place to live. Model of the Earth is called globe. We all live on the Earth. Earth is our home. Earth is made up of land and water. We all live on the land. Surface of the Earth is not even. There are many landforms on the Earth. They are plains, hills, river and sea, desert, island and valley. Now let us have a look at them in detail. Plains. The land is flat at some places. They are called plains. We live on plains. We grow crops on plains. Hills. At some places the land is high. These places are called hills, and the very high hills are called mountains. The tops of high mountains have snow. River and sea. The snow melts into water. The water flows down as rivers. The rivers originate from the mountains and flow to the sea. Desert. At some places, the land is covered with sand. A large sandy place with very little water is called a desert. Island. A piece of land that has water all around it is called an island. Valley. A valley is a land between the mountains or hills. The land of valley is also very fertile. Nowadays, man has brought many changes on our earth. We have built dams, buildings, roads, hill station, bridges, factories and many other things. All these changes have made our lives easier but have caused lots of pollution on the earth. Smoke comes out from some factories and vehicles. This causes air pollution. Global warming. Global warming is a burning issue today. What is global warming? Increase in average surface temperature of Earth due to carbon dioxide and other pollutants causes global warming. How can we reduce global warming? Plant more trees, avoid using plastic bags, reduce using vehicles. For short distances, use bicycles. Avoid using firecrackers. Don't play loud music. Points to remember. Earth is made up of land and water. There are many landforms on the earth. Model of the earth is known as globe. We should plant more trees to reduce the pollution and make earth a better place to live. Match the column. Melting of snow. What happens when snow melts? Yes, it forms a river. Hot and sandy land. What a hot and sandy piece of land is known as? Come on fast. Right, desert. Grow crops. Where do we grow crops? Right, plains. High heels. What are high heels known as? Fast. Right, mountains. Land surrounded by water. What is land surrounded by water is known as? Right, island. Fill in the blanks with given options. Model of Earth is called a air, no, sea, no, globe. Rivers go into the dash. Air, no, yes, sea. Smoke makes the air, come on fast, dirty, right. We can't live without air. Model of Earth is called a globe. Rivers go into the sea. Smoke makes the air dirty. We can't live without air. Answer the following. Where do we grow crops? Come on fast, tell me. Yes, plains. Name any 3 man-made things. Come on, you have to answer. I told you earlier. Right. Roads, dams, and buildings. From where does a river originate? I told you earlier. You have to tell me. Come on fast. Yes, mountains.